Fix PowerShell high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Install Windows updates. Method 2. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 3. Run a malware scan. Method 4. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.